CTM stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Castellum stock is sitting at 173, 13.5% down. Where the freaking heck are we heading next? I'm gonna be completely honest with you, this looks so bullish for me. Although it does not seem that I'm gonna buy, but it's such a bullish range. And for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips, and I've documented everything. But like, just observing CTM, bro, it only like needed to give me the second break, which it did not. And unfortunately, now I'm gonna get rid of it because it's consolidating down. The only thing that will again make me buy is another double break here. If I see it, cool. If I don't see it, then it's also cool. I would just not continue with this. Simple as that. So that's how CTM looks like. I'll just put like this little confirmation here. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm just waiting, and that's about it, you know. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on CTM. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.